The rice fields are only a short walk away, but like men around the world, Mr. 10 loves to show off his souped-up ride.
I feel like I'm on my granddad's lawnmower with half my grandma's washing machine in front.
Good comparison.
What a contraption.
This is his custom-built Iron Buffalo, and he's let me take the reins.
How do we start?
วางสายคันเร่ง
สายคันเร่ง or this the string for the speed.
Okay, so that's the acceleration pedal.
Acceleration pedal.
That's slow and that's fast.
ซึ่งอยู่เป็นก้อน
Hold this up first. So after this,
ไปหนา
Oh, okay. So that's like the handbrake, and this is the gear.
exactly.
And seat belts?
มีสายหัดเอวอะ
บ่
We ready? Let's go.
Swing.
Let's go, Captain. Kids, buffaloes, frogs, get out of the way.
Oh my god.
We good?
Oh my god. I'm nervous.
This may not be the safest ride, but I definitely feel safer than the people walking in front of me.
Oh, jeez.
Oh man. Oh man.
Hello.
Uh-oh.
Gotcha.
Stop, Gordon. Stop.
This thing's a death trap.
Oh man.
On my quest to discover the best local food to serve in a feast for monks, Mr. 10 leads me to a field that he assures me is full of loud delicacies.
มิงลา
He's looking for toe biters.
Life here is tough. Some families survive on just $5 a day. So foraging for insects provides much-needed protein, flavor, and if you're not careful, flesh wounds.
Here's one here.
Oh, careful, it's gonna bite you.
They're sharp, those things.
Is it biting?
Can you get him? Here's one here. Look at that, the size of them. And what do they do? Boil them, grill them?
เฮ็ด
Man.
ปิ้งแล้วก็
Barbecue first and then
Barbecue.
make a dipping sauce.
Hey, another one.
Oh, you're good.
They're like large beetles.
Oh man.
What was that?
Oh.
What was that?
Don't put on me.
Man, they're fast, these little bugs are. Frog, Mr. Tink. I said hook. Wow. Bloody hell. Look at him. He's beautiful. Is he too small to eat?
ก้มหน่อยได้
Hey.
Too small.
Wait.
Oh.